Hi, welcome to another installment of PLP's Fiber Tips and Tricks. Today, we're going to go over a few different ways to open up the COYOTE DTC. A commonly found tool in the field is a flathead screwdriver. To start, insert your flathead into a corner slot. Give a slow backwards pry as to not cause damage to the closure. Then move to another slot on the same side of the closure for a final pry. At this point, the cover should come right off. If you're opening a lot of these closures, then PLP's DTC opening tool will save you time. To use the tool, align the 3 tabs with the 3 side slots on the closure, and like the screwdriver, give a slow backwards pry. It's that easy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to keep an eye out for more PLP's fiber tips and tricks. Stay safe out there.